We got Preston from Alabama. Writes in, hey, I'm currently 24 years old. I'm getting married in June, and my fiance is 22. We're in the process of setting up retirement accounts. We are self-employed, so we're setting up our own accounts. So they're setting up their own accounts? Like, never mind.
Yeah.
All right, my plan as of now is to open up 2 separate Roth IRAs with plans to max them out every single year. Along with that, I have I want to have 1 or 2 accounts that offer a tax benefit. I just finished reading A Simple Path to Wealth. All right. I've done my research in considering opening up Vanguard account in contributing the VTSAX with a percentage of my salary each month. I was curious to know what else I should be doing and how to set up for the most successful moving forward. I appreciate the advice you can offer. How to set up for the most successful,
successful retirement savings plan.
Most successful life. Most successful marriage
yeah,
moving
maybe,
forward.
Right?
Just kind of forgot.
Well, first of all, VTSAX is the Vanguard Total Stock Market Fund.
Yep. We did a show on that one.
Yeah.
Yeah, love the fund.
In fact, I recommended that fund to both of my kids.
Really?
Yep.
Yeah, I own that fund.
Yeah.
Okay, so Preston, 22 years old. All right, so you're self-employed, so it's kind of funny. Well, I'm self-employed, so I'm setting up my own account. I'm going to set up a Roth IRA.
Yeah, well.
Okay, well, if you're self-employed, you can do something a little bit different.
You can. You might want to set up a self-employed solo 401k. Then you can put more in if you have years where there's more profit than just the $6,000 for the Roth.
So you and your wife are both self-employed, so I would set up a solo 401k for you and your wife. I would make sure that the solo 401k has a Roth provision in it. So you could put up to $19,500 for both of you because you're under 50, you're 22 and 24. And you could put those in your own qualified plan. Unless you have multiple employees, but I'm guessing you don't because you said you work on your own, you're going to do this on your own.
Yeah, that's what I'm assuming too. And if $6,000 is your number, then that's what you can put into the solo 401k. But it just gives you the flexibility to put a lot more. And we completely agree it should be Roth IRA. The principal reasons for that is you think about decades and decades of tax-free growth, what that's going to be worth later on. And secondly, thinking about if you're 24 and 22 years of age, likely your income will go up, so you're in a low bracket right now, which is the best time absolutely to take advantage of the Roth.
Yep, without question. And then you can set up a brokerage account. Excuse me, what we like to look at is tax diversification. So maybe as your self-employment income increases, then you might go with the pre-tax component of your 401k plan. Or you might just stick with the Roth. So you could do a Roth 401k, and then you can also do a Roth IRA. So you can kind of double dip here a little bit.
You can.
So you can really maximize the amount of money that you're putting in tax-free. If you want to save more than that, then we would recommend going into a brokerage account because there you're going to be taxed at capital gains rates. So I think you're doing a good job. You're doing your research. You're reading books, calling this stupid show.
Seeing if we agree, and we do agree.
Yeah, I like it. Thanks, Preston. Good luck.
Are you prepared for retirement? Schedule a free financial assessment with an experienced financial professional right online at purefinancial.com.